A fish is considered as an aquatic animal. It only lives underwater. There are almost 20,000 species of fish. It also includes the groups of jawless fish, sharks, bony fish, and many more with different shapes, sizes, and colors. The lifespan of fish is 20 years. Catfish has the most extended lifespan of 60 years, and weighs up to 170 kilos. Fish prefer to be in groups, known as a shoal. A shoal can contain millions of fish. Fish are cold-blooded creatures. It means that the changes in the temperatures of their internal body are in the form of changes around the temperature. The biggest fish is the whale. It is shaped like a giant ship. All the creatures found in the ocean. Fishes navigate with the help of typical sensory organs, which acts like radar. Fish will die in water if there is not enough oxygen present in it. What are sharks? Sharks are fish. They live in the water, but, unlike other fish, their skeletons are made of cartilage. This means that they can swim quicker and easier because it allows them to be more flexible. Cartilage is a tough, rubbery material found also in rays and skates. There are more than 350 varieties of shark, from the enormous whale shark, which can grow as large as a bus, to the terrifying great white shark, known for eating large mammals with its huge, jagged teeth. Fossils indicate that sharks have been around for more than 420 million years. Koi fishes are friends with goldfish, because they are closely related. However, they produce sterile offspring. Koi fish usually live between 25 and 30 years. When it is kept under good conditions, koi fish can survive for more than 100 years. Hanako, a koi fish who died at the age of 226. In 1966, 2 of her scales were removed, and extensively studied to determine her age. She was the longest living koi fish. An eel is a sea creature that's shaped like a snake. There are many different kinds of eels. Some eels can be bad and some eels maybe not. The electric eel is a powerful eel because of its electric shocks. To catch their prey, they shock them. You can find electric eels in South America like the Amazon River Basin, and the Orinoco River. They also live in muddy creeks and marshlands. Some eels also live in the freshwater. Electric eels can produce a 500-volt shock that could be deadly to humans. Jellyfish are jelly-like sea creatures that have been around even before dinosaurs existed. They can be found in all ocean water. However, they thrive in warm tropical water or cold Arctic water. They are found in every ocean, from the surface to the deep sea. Groups of jellyfish are called blooms. There are over 1,500 different types of jellyfish in the ocean. They have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Jellyfish stings can be painful to humans and sometimes very dangerous. But they don't purposely attack humans. Most stings occur when people accidentally touch them. Jellyfish are asexual. They are both male and female. To reproduce, they release sperm and eggs into the water, where it fertilizes and mature into jellyfish. Jellyfish are plankton because they drift in the water. They are not good swimmers. Sometimes large groups of jellyfish can be found. Scientists call this a bloom. Some blooms can be made up of millions of jellyfish. The seashore is one of the best places to find crabs. They are good at coping with the constant changes that the tides bring to life on the shoreline. A crab can breathe underwater but can also breathe out of water for long periods. Whether the tide is in or out, these animals can survive. Crabs need to cope with threats from the air, land and sea. Birds will eat them, fish will eat them, even people will eat them. The crab's tough shell and spines provide some defense against predators. They are also good at hiding during daylight hours and at low tide. Some will bury themselves in sand or mud. Some hide in rock pools. Others retreat into the water as the tide ebbs. These behaviors stop them from drying out and from being eaten. Crabs are generally covered with a thick exoskeleton and armed with a single pair of claws. Crabs are found in all of the world's oceans, while many crabs live in fresh water and on land, particularly in tropical regions. Crabs vary in size from the pea crab, a few millimeters wide, to the Japanese spider crab, with a leg span of up to 4 meters, 13 feet. The lifespan of a stingray is about 15 to 25 years. Stingrays are related to sharks like their shark cousins. They do not have bones. In a stingray's tail they have venom and a spine, and it can be dangerous to humans. Stingrays have tails that are armed for defense. Some kinds of stingrays have a spine in their tail with a very sharp point and edges that are serrated or notched.